In the last video, we defined integration as antiderivative. That means integral of f of x dx is equal to f of x provided d by dx of f of x. That means the differentiation of f of x, which we often call f dash of x, is equal to f of x. So what is the meaning of that? So I'll give some examples. Example is very simple now. That means if differentiation of this is this, the integration of this will be this. For example, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, which means integral of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Often some constant has to be added, so plus c, or simply if you want to just look at what is the integral of cos x, so it is sin x. What is d by dx of cos x? That is minus sin x. Suppose if you multiply on either side minus, so here when minus comes here, minus into minus becomes plus. So which means that integral of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. So we also know that d by dx of secant x. So d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x tan x, which means that integral of secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x. So we can just keep on adding formulae to this. One more important thing is about algebraic. We know that d by dx of, this is a very important one, so please remember a lot of integration is based on that. D by dx of x power n is equal to, the power has to be brought down, x power n minus 1. Then x power n minus 1 is there. Replace, or I will tell you, replace n with n plus 1. So what happens here? Here d by dx of x power n plus 1 is equal to, this n becomes n plus 1, x power n plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So that means d by dx of x power n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into x power n. So then divide n plus 1 on both sides, you get d by dx of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to x power n. So it's a very important thing. So integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So like that we can keep on adding integral formula. Once you know differentiation, based on differentiation you can define, you can find the integral formula for things. So here there is only one condition. The condition is n must not be equal to, so n should not be equal to minus 1. And apart from this condition, this formula is true for everything, because integral dx by x, so is equal to log x. Integral dx by x is equal to log x. So you can just you remember all these things. So it's very integral dx by x is equal to log x. So it's natural logarithm, so that is why natural logarithm of x, so we can add things. So remember these things. So this is a very important formula that in physics we use a lot of times. And then these things, how sine x cos x. So what is sine ax cos ax, we will use a separate video based on rules of integration.